Using forward crane, lowering, test run, and retrieval. 1. Wrench emoji, preparation before lowering. Toolbox talk and safety briefing. Conduct a meeting with involved crew. Discuss roles, safety procedures, and emergency actions. Coordination. Inform bridge, engine room, and port authority, if required. Maintain radio communication between crane operator, deck crew, and FRB crew. Inspection checklist. Check FRB for fuel, oil, coolant levels. Battery condition. Drain plug in place. Steering system and throttle function. Inspect crane. Hydraulic system, wire rope, lifting hook, brakes. Quick release hook mechanism, if fitted. Ensure FRB crew wear full PPE, helmet, life jacket, gloves. 2. Down arrow emoji, lowering FRB using forward crane. 1. Unlashing and setup. Remove lashing straps and securing pins. Position the crane over the FRB. Attach crane hook securely to lifting point, single or 4-point sling. Ensure painter line is secured forward to control the bow. 2. Lifting off cradle. Slightly lift the FRB from cradle to test balance. Check for abnormal swinging or tension in lines. 3. Swinging and lowering. Swing out crane arm slowly, guiding FRB clear of ship side. Lower the FRB steadily into the water. Once afloat, crew can enter, or already be on board as per SOP. Release the hook from the lifting point using quick release. 3. Motorboat emoji, FRB test run in water. 1. Engine start. Start engine per manual. Observe for any abnormal smoke, vibration, or leaks. 2. Operational checks. Test steering left/right. Run at idle and full speed. Execute turns, reverse, and stopping test. Test onboard communications, VHF or handheld. 3. Maneuvering practice, optional. Simulate a man overboard drill. Practice approaching from leeward side. Check bilge pump and other equipment functionality. 4. Up arrow emoji, retrieving FRB using forward crane. 1. Approach for recovery. FRB returns slowly to the ship side, windward or calm side. Use the painter line to control position. Ensure FRB is steady before connecting the lifting hook. 2. Hooking. Attach the forward crane hook securely to the lifting point. Confirm all crew are ready and FRB is balanced. 3. Lifting. Crane operator lifts slowly, ensuring steady movement. Swing crane arm back inboard with care. Lower the FRB back into the cradle securely. 4. Securing. Apply lashing straps and locking pins. Turn off the engine, switch off battery, and complete post-use checks. 5. Memo emoji, post-operation. Log the activity in the deck logbook and safety record. Report any issues or defects. Refill fuel and recharge battery if necessary. Restore crane to standby position. Small blue diamond emoji. 1. Preparation before boarding. Safety and communication. Toolbox meeting with assigned crew. Confirm all crew are wearing full PPE, life jacket, helmet, gloves, safety shoes. Establish radio communication between deck watch, crane operator, FRB crew, bridge team. Pre-check of FRB. Confirm FRB is ready for water, drain plug in, fuel full, battery charged. Verify quick release hook mechanism is working. Test radio, lights, and steering movement while still in cradle if possible. Ladder emoji. 2. Crew boarding the FRB using pilot ladder. 1. Lowering FRB to water. Using the forward crane, the FRB is slowly and safely lowered into the water. Once afloat, the painter line is used to keep the boat steady alongside. 2. Pilot ladder setup. A properly rigged pilot ladder is deployed on the ship's side near the FRB. Safety line or life buoy with line is kept ready nearby in case of emergency. 3. Crew boarding. One by one, crew descends the pilot ladder carefully. They enter the FRB with help from another crew member already on board, if allowed. Balance and stability of the FRB are maintained by holding the painter line. Speedboat emoji. 3. Engine start and sea test run. 1. Engine starting procedure. Open fuel line valve, if manual type. Turn on battery switch. Start the engine following SOP, key start or push button. Observe oil pressure, engine noise, and exhaust color. 2. Basic maneuvering in harbor area. Idle forward and reverse. Tight turns left and right. Communication check with bridge or deck. 3. Run through the sea, outside harbor or near coastal. Depart controlled area slowly under bridge permission. Once in open waters, with clearance, increase to full cruising speed. Perform. Speed run in straight line. Sharp turns. Stop and go. Simulated rescue approach, for example, man overboard retrieval drill. Observe wave handling, stability, engine vibration, and fuel performance. Red octagon emoji. 4. Return and recovery. 1. Return to ship side. Approach slowly under control, against the wind or current. Secure painter line. 2. Boarding back, optional. Crew may disembark via pilot ladder back to deck. Or stay inside for crane-assisted retrieval. 3. FRB hooking and recovery. Attach crane lifting hook. Retrieve FRB using the forward crane back to cradle. Secure all lashings, switch off engine, and complete shutdown checklist. Memo emoji, post-operation. Log the sea test in deck logbook. Fill out the FRB maintenance and test record. Report any findings or abnormalities. Clean the boat and recharge/refill systems as necessary.